Hey guys, Min here. So today I am going to change my in-cabin filter for this 2011 Lexus RX450H. So let's get started. To change the filter, it's quite simple. It's actually inside your glove compartment. So I discovered that this needed to be changed because I went to get an oil change. And after the oil change, they asked me if I want to change it myself or not. So you simply remove all that, and as you can see here, there it is. That in-cabin filter is right there. So, okay, and let's pull this out. As you can see, this is pretty dirty. So we want to replace that with an equivalent. Yep, this is it. Open this sucker up. And airflow, airflow, airflow. Okay. Let's push this through. Is this the right direction? Alright, I think I put the air filter in the wrong direction. So let me check and verify. So stick a piece of paper or something, and immediately you can see that the air filter, the air is going down and not going up. So what I had was the air going down. So up, so the air should be going down. So there it is. So now the airflow is correct, and I'll put this back in. Okay, continue with the video. And now we just stick this piece in. There it is. Shove this way. And we're good. So put all the junk back in there. Alright, so that's how you change the in-cabin air filter for the Lexus RX450H for 2011 model. So a few thoughts before I close it out. One is that this Lexus RX450H is extremely easy to change the air filter in for both the cabin filter and also the engine filter, air filter. So never pay anybody to do that. As you can see, the only challenge I had was figuring out the airflow, but the airflow goes down, which is the same as the direction of the label, so you don't have to flip it or reverse it. But in case in your car it's a little different, just verify with a piece of paper or a tissue. You'll immediately know which direction the airflow goes. Okay, alright, I hope this helps. If it does, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!